Hey, welcome to the channel. Once again, JB here. Excited you're with us. As always, this is a community, not a channel, and it's about tech and fun stuff. And today we're going to have some fun as I have got a big box from B&H Photo. And this is about making this channel better. And I want to share with you kind of the excitement of what we're doing here. So as you know, I've been shooting on these RX 100 Mark 5 and Mark 7, these little cameras. And they do a pretty good job. I'm on the RX 100 Mark 7 right there. But these little cameras can only do so much. They got fixed lenses and they only can make the videos so good, right? So I want to make the videos great. And in order to do that, what we're going to be doing is getting some new equipment. And I've literally got thousands of dollars worth of stuff in here that I have no idea how to use because I've never used it before, but I'm learning. And I have the new Sony A7S III coming and the new Sony A7C coming. They will be here, the A7 III probably next week, and then the A7C in October, okay, along with the tech devices that are coming. By the way, we just surpassed 9,000 subscribers, and it's because of that I'm really getting excited. So I appreciate you helping me grow this channel. So as we get into this today, we're going to pull out the different items that have come in here. The receipt is here, which is good. The handy dandy receipt, we'll keep that. Some bubble wrap. They always do a great job of putting stuff together. And there's some really exciting things in here. So first of all, we got a UV filter. This was a free gift they gave me. This will go on the lenses that we've bought. Which is really great. So that's the first thing, UV filter. We now have 3 tough SD cards. I typically use 65 gigabyte SD cards. You can see them right there. And these are high speed, 300 megabytes, and they're really fast. And I'm gonna use these in the new cameras. Those are the tough 64 gigabyte, 3 of those cards, which is great. What else do we have in here? We have a bag, and let's see what's in this bag. We'll take this out. This is some fun stuff. This is, I don't know what this is. This is, a lens cleaning cloth and a cap keeper plus. I guess those are for lens caps, which are pretty cool. Okay, we also have, anything else in this bag? The new Sony ECM B1M Microphone. Now this thing's pretty cool. I'm gonna open it up just so you can kind of see it. This is a microphone made for the Sony that you don't have to put cables on. Okay, so there's the windscreen. Let's go ahead and open it up. And it goes right into the camera directly, and it looks a little funky, but look at that thing. It's like a little, I don't know what to say, but everything is in here done electronically. It's a digital microphone that works with the camera. I'm excited about that for kind of some vloggy stuff and stuff we're gonna be doing. So we'll put that to the side. That's pretty cool. All right, and now we're getting into the fun stuff and the stuff that I've got to learn how to really use. First, we have a lens cleaning kit, which is great. That comes with it. And now we've got 3 really awesome things. So I'm going to pull these out, and we'll do them one at a time, and I'll kind of explain why I went with them with these different lenses, okay? So the first lens we've got is the FE 20 millimeter f1.8 lens. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I'm really excited about this. The lens comes in a nice kit. Let's see. Wow, this thing is so awesome. Like, imagine I'm going from, shooting with these small cameras that I typically use to now real professional equipment. And we're going to really rock and roll this. So here it is. Here's the lens. Let's go ahead and take it out. It's all packaged well. Wow, that thing is just beautiful. So this is a 20 millimeter lens f1.8. So this is going to be on my my Sony A7C primarily, but I will use this lens a lot because it's 20 millimeter, it's perfect, it's wide. Like this is a 20 millimeter shot right now, I believe. Let me go all the way back on it. That is about, wait, as I go even further back, let me go even further. That's 20 millimeter. So the camera, I believe, can go to 20 millimeters. So you can see how wide that is in this small, compact body. And it's going to allow me to do a lot of things from whether I'm using this shot or other shot. This is not a zoom, like this has a zoom lens. This is a prime lens, and it's fast at f1.8, which means it can really do real well in low light. So when we go outside and do things in low light, as we start building the channel, this is going to be one of my primary lenses that I use, and it's a great lens. I'm super excited about this, in the C, putting it in the C, with the C, and also with the S7S3 camera that will be coming in next week. The C won't be here till October, but that's the first lens we'll open up. Awesome lens. The next lens, let's leave the main lens to the end, is a Zeiss Batis 1.8 85 degree, and I'm actually really excited about seeing this lens. Wow, the box is really cool. This is not Sony, and they actually did some really cool stuff with the box. It has the kind of the front hood that you can put on it, and then here is the lens itself. Let's go ahead and take this lens out and take a look at it. Okay, and this is the Zeiss 85 millimeter, and that bad boy is awesome. This thing is really killer. 85 millimeter, wow, and it's just a nice, small, big lens. And basically what I'm going to be using this lens for is for product shots, and working with product shots and making that happen. And what's cool is this has a little display on it to tell you kind of where you're at with meters, and I can take that off, which is great. But this lens is a very artistic lens. So when we come in for close shots, 85 millimeter is really a portrait lens, but with video I can use it for my shots. And I've got some surfaces coming in for our text reviews, so I can really get some good photos and some good video of the products that we're reviewing. As you know, we got the Remarkable 2 and the Onyx Lumi coming in. So I'm really excited about using this 1.8 85 millimeter lens. It kind of is part of my kit. I'm excited about that. And again, going from these cameras to these type of lenses, hopefully you're going to see a big difference with the show quality and the stuff that we're doing here on the show. And then the main lens that I think will be on my camera primarily is this G Master 16-35 millimeter f2.8 from Sony. Really excited about seeing this lens and starting to use it next week. We'll take it out. It's got this big case that it comes with, super cool. So it's got like a carrying case. Look at that thing, how cool that is. So when we open it up, we'll open this up. Let's take a look what's in here. It will pull the lens out. Just like it's like so exciting. These are not cheap lenses. These are big investments into the channel, but you're worth it and everybody's worth it. The community's worth it. I'm excited about this. So the cool thing about this is it's a 16, which goes even wider to this, to a 35, and you can see it's just a gorgeous lens. And so this is actually a zoom lens, which we can bring it out, bring it in, and so we can go 16 to 35 millimeter, and it's an f2.8, meaning it actually can have some decent low light. I think when I put it on my A7 S3, this will be the primary lens that I'm pretty much working with all the time for vlogging, those type of things. It's going to be just a great overall lens. This will probably be on the camera 95% of the time. It is a G Master lens, and I'm super pumped about it. And it comes in a super good case. When you're spending this kind of money on lenses, you would hope that it comes with good stuff. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some time and put all this stuff up. I have some new shelving coming in for the studio where I'm going to keep a lot of the camera equipment and the lenses, and we're going to start really building this channel out with some great things. And as always, I just want to share the journey with you. That's why I'm doing this, because you know, it's part of this is a community, right? We're all working together and doing cool things, and I'm bringing you different tech ideas. And I want you to see the journey, right? As we start to transform and go from shooting on these little cameras to professional gear. And as I start working with that, I think we're really going to make the videos better, the tutorials better, the entertainment value better, the energy better. And that's really what I'm focused on. I'm excited. I'm like a little kid. I don't know if you can tell, but this is an exciting time for me. This has been a dream of mine to get better at this stuff. I'm learning. When I started this channel and really got going a few months ago, I couldn't tell you the difference between a 20 millimeter and an 85 millimeter. Now I know that this bad boy is what we're going to be using for product shots. Like I said, I got some surfaces coming that you take these shots with that are going to be cool. And this 20 millimeter is just a monster as far as outside and in the dark. And then this 16 to 35 is really great. My last lens that I'll need is like a 200 millimeter, but I don't need that right now. Eventually I'll get that so we can add that to the channel. So excited to do this unboxing. A lot of stuff here, lens cleaners, a lot of tech stuff. I'm anxious to get this microphone on the new camera, so when I'm out, how does it sound? How does it work? And I'll be sharing a lot of that with you here at the channel. I know a lot of you are here for e-ink, but I really want to start expanding this channel into other areas, and these are the type of tools that are going to allow me to do it and hopefully create the quality. I don't think you can ever go wrong with increasing the quality of what you do, and that's what I'm focused on. And these little RX cameras are great to throw in your pocket and capture B-roll, like stuff that's on the side that I use. But this stuff, and when I unbox the camera that'll be here next week, you're going to see some awesome things, and hopefully the whole quality of the production is going to get better. Okay, so thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate you. Thanks for helping us get 9,000 subscribers, and I will see you tomorrow right here on the channel. Go have a great day as always.